Hi guys, this is Josh here, and for today's video I'm going to give you the tip on how to set your time on your Xiaomi Haylou LS01. Let's go. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is just a quick video on how to set your time on your Xiaomi Haylou smartwatch. So all you have to do is just download the application, which is the Xiaomi Sport. Yes guys, so just download the Haylou Sport application, and once you install it and you successfully connected it to your smartwatch, then it will automatically set the time. And for those people who are asking about the video on how to connect, this is the link here on top, and just kindly click that one for you to know on how to set that up. So once again, it's just easy guys. So all you have to do is just connect, and your time and the date of your smartwatch will be automatically set. Alright, so I think that's all for this video guys, and then if you like this video, kindly click the like button and also consider subscribing. Once again, this is Josh, and I will see you soon.